Ashwani, yes, the Nifty has closed above 6,050, but if I look at market internals, the momentum is not there. The momentum is missing.
Good morning, Nikunj. That is true. And the Nifty shows a rally that is getting weaker as it moves higher. Momentum and market breadth remain weak. Now, there are two ways of doing things. One is with clear risk reward on your side, and the other is just watching, if the market is moving higher, go long. If the market is moving lower, go short. Put a 30-point stop loss. That may be the game suited for some people, but not in my case, because chances are that a lot of stocks which are outperforming may exhaust with the results, like we saw with TCS. So the idea here should be that look for turnaround in underperforming sectors. By that I mean we've seen some of it happen in tech, maybe in capital goods, infrastructure. In case there is some sign of turnaround, or in PSU banks which have moved up to some extent, if there is improvement, that is where you'll get big bang for the buck. In terms of the stocks which are moving higher, I think breakouts may tend to fail. The indicators which need to confirm higher highs are totally not supporting the market. And while I have no problem if the market goes up another 50 points, but it lacks in conviction on the upside.
Ashwani, two stocks for you, and then we'll discuss your individual stock ideas in the Nifty strategy. Gitanjali Gems and Idea Cellular.
I think Gitanjali Gems, above levels about 400, a theoretical target of about 650 was there. And, people who have Gitanjali Gems from earlier, this is the time they kind of, tighten their stop losses, which means the kind of accelerated trend that we've seen from about 450, that often does not sustain. And I think a few more good days and maybe some kind of intermediate correction may start in Gitanjali Gems. So keep a 650 style target, and maybe hold with a stop about 570. And chances are that you should have taken in most of the profitable move. There's no point entering now because hardly 40-50 points may be on the table. Now, Idea, I think it's for the first time in 3 years that it's moved clearly above this 104, 105 zone, and now it's getting positioned for a retest of a previous high. As long as we maintain this 104, chances are we will slowly move towards 160 kind of zone. So everybody who had Idea around 60, 65, now is the time your patience will pay off. So don't try to exit. In fact, upgrade your stop loss to about 104, 105 and keep holding. It seems that telecom seems to be getting some kind of momentum.
Ashwani, what is your Nifty strategy for the day, followed by individual stocks?
Well, Nifty needs to stay above 6,047. Resistance comes in at 6,076 and 6,097. Support comes in at 6,026 and 5,997. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,827 and Senex IT above 6,823. BTST from yesterday, Bharti Airtel was a buy with a stop about 336, target of 354. Hexaware was a buy with a stop about 88, target of 102. And JSPL was a buy with a stop about, sell with a stop about 451, target of 427. Now fresh calls, Purvankara is a buy with a stop about 110, target of 121. Jaycorp has restarted its rally, so that's a buy with a stop about 79, target of 93. Dewan Housing is a buy with a stop about 215, target of 231. All the paint stocks seem to be in action, Berger, Shalimar, etc. So Berger Paints is a buy with a stop about 158, target of 174. Financial Technologies is a buy with a stop about 1153, target of 1220. And Adani Power is a buy with a stop about 62, target of 75.